Planning. Question 1. Which of the following development initiatives have been undertaken by Niti Aayog since its inception? 1. Aspirational Districts Program. 2. Atal Innovation Mission. 3. Sustainable Development in the Indian Himalayan Region Program. 4. Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. 5. Sustainable Action for Transforming Human Capital, SAT, Program. 6. Startup India Program. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. B. 2, 3, 4, 5 only. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding economic crisis faced by India during 1990. 1. High fiscal deficit. 2. High current account deficit. 3. High import cover. 4. India was on the verge of defaulting on its international debt obligations. 5. Very high inflation rates. Which of the statements given above were the reasons for the economic crisis? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. D. 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements with regard to globalization in India. 1. Reduction in brain drain. 2. Development of the capital market. 3. Increase in foreign investment. 4. Reduction in inequalities. Which of the above have been the positive consequences of globalization in India? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Question 4. Which of the following was the main aim of economic reforms under the new economic policy 1991? A. Market forces would drive the economy towards development and growth. B. The government would drive the economy towards development and growth. C. The public would drive the economy towards development and growth. D. None of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding Indian economy during British rule. 1. Commercialization of agriculture. 2. Rise of new landlordism. 3. Impoverishment of peasantry. 4. Ruin of the traditional handicrafts industry. 5. Technological advancement of agriculture. 6. Increase in food grains production. Which of the statements given above were the impacts of colonial rule? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements with respect to circular economy. 1. The products in the circular economy are more cost-effective from a consumer point of view. 2. Circular economy solves the problem of disposal of waste to a large extent. 3. The circular economy has potential to solve the problem of air pollution, water pollution, etc. Which of the statements given above are advantages of circular economy? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding the types of planning. 1. Imperative planning is based on the principle of decentralization for the operation and execution of plans. 2. In indicative planning, the planning authority decides about every aspect of the economy to the minute details, sets targets and administer its implementations. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding the difference between Planning Commission and Niti Aayog. 1. Niti Aayog has adopted a bottom-up approach in planning, which is a contrast to the Planning Commission's tradition of top-down decision-making. 2. Niti Aayog, An advisory body, or a think tank, has powers to allocate funds to ministries and state governments. 3. The Niti Aayog Council comprises all the state chief ministers, along with the chief ministers of Delhi and Puducherry, lieutenant governors of all UTs, and a vice chairman nominated by the Prime Minister. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Mahalanobis model. 1. The Mahalanobis model has been constructed in terms of Keynesian aggregates. 2. Mahalanobis' emphasis on basic heavy industries was also due to his objective enabling the economy to stop imports of foreign capital equipment and machines. 3. The plan was devised to enable India to industrialize under conditions of stagnant or slowly growing exports. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. RBI is entrusted with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy in India with the primary objective of maintaining price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. It is on the basis of its assessment of the monetary policy stance that a central bank calibrates its actions. In which of the following stances, RBI more likely to cut down the interest rate? 1. Accommodative stance. 2. Neutral stance. 3. Hawkish stance. 4. Calibrated tightening. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4.